national educator.
Hello learner, welcome to another lesson, a social studies lesson. It's a revision lesson, lesson number 3. In today's lesson, we are going to look at study topic on physical environment. Physical environment. Now, before we start, there are just a few things we need to know about social studies. Remember that social studies is about you and the world. All right, it's simple. What you learn in school every other time, if you look at it carefully, you'll find that it is whatever you learn is affecting you and is affecting everybody who lives near you in the world, everywhere. So all that you do is social studies. Now in our school we have we have 9 topics in social studies. And in under these 9 topics, we have the subtopics which you learn in school when you're studying social studies. So we are saying that an example is the one you are studying today is physical environment. So in physical environment, we have some other smaller topics under the big topic, which are, for example, physical features. I'm sure you have learned that. The mountains, the rivers, the oceans, all these things, the hills, the swamps. Then you have studied the climate, climate of areas, hot and wet, cool and wet. You studied weather, all these things, vegetation, highland vegetation, lowland vegetation, forests, all this. And then soil, soil erosion, uses of soil, all these are under one big topic we are calling physical environment. So when you are doing your revision every other time, remember to go topic by topic. Don't just do a paper, the whole of it, okay? It will sometimes confuse you because some questions will be difficult, more difficult than others. But if you go topic-wise and subtopic, you find that all these topics are covered from class 4, from class 1, all the way to class 8. So remember to go studying under topic, then subtopic, for all the classes. For example, physical environment is in all the classes, okay? All classes have got physical environment. They have got physical features, they have got climate, all these topics, okay? So remember that when you are studying, when you are trying to do your revision, always study the question carefully, and then before you answer the question, first understand the question. What does the examiner want you to know? Okay, the person who is testing you, what is the person looking for? Okay, so once you have an idea of the topic that you have, then it will be easier for you to know that this question is from this topic. So when you are studying, you remember that once I was studying this topic, these are the things which I came up with. All right, remember all the time when you are looking at your notes, always write short notes, okay? Don't write a lot of notes because they might not help you so much. So among the things which might affect you when you are doing your revision or answering a question is maybe failing to understand the question, okay? It's very important to understand the question because you cannot answer a question which you don't understand. So the first thing is understand the question, okay? Then you go to the choices. Understand the choices also, okay? Once you've understood the choices, then you go eliminating one by one until you get to the correct answer, all right? Out of the 4, only 1 is correct. Once you are doing those, as you move up the classes, always choose one answer, which is correct. Don't choose 2. Don't imagine 2 answers are correct. It's always the best answer, okay, of the main answer, of the answer which the examiner wants you to get. So don't confuse the choices. Choose the correct answer. All this you will be able to do once you have revised well and you understand what you are doing that time.